Today, I'm going to show you how to upload a short form video onto LinkedIn. So let's get straight to it. So to upload your video onto LinkedIn, you're going to be on your newsfeed here, and we're going to click on Media. And on the media, we're going to automatically, it's popping up, upload from computer. And I have already created a short video, which I've recorded speaking into camera. And this is what it looks like. Now, what I want you to do is a couple of different things. Number one, we want to have video thumbnail because otherwise it starts looking like this on somebody's screen, which we don't want. So I'm going to upload a video thumbnail. So here we have a thumbnail that I've created using Canva, and we have some tutorials on Canva over here on the platform. Click add. So this is what it's going to look like. And then we click next. And it's going to preview like this. If we don't do a preview, it will show up without the thumbnail. And then say, what I want you to do, it's really important to say why you're sharing this video to LinkedIn. And the easiest way to do this is to go to your own video and get your transcript and have a look at it. Or I'm using Riverside here. You could take an AI note for it. But if we look at the transcript here, view transcript. And it says, why should you use video to market yourself on LinkedIn? So that is literally what I'm going to write. Okay, so I've written a post saying, why should you use yourself to market yourself in video? Number one, credibility. Number two, connection. Number three, visibility. Here are some tips to help you get started today. So because I have already added burned captions into my video, I'm going to turn off the auto captions. Otherwise, you get 2 layers of captions on your video, and that looks a little bit messy. So I have taken the auto captions off. You can see my captions are already here. I'm going to click apply. I'm going to click next, and we're going to click post. It does take a minute for LinkedIn to actually post your video. It says less than 1 minute. It's not literally a minute. Your video needs to be longer than 3 seconds. The file has to be less than 10 minutes if you upload it on mobile, less than 15 minutes if you upload it on desktop. My suggestion is you create video content that is short and to the point so that people will watch it on LinkedIn. And then it says, we will notify you when your post is ready. Good luck creating your video content on LinkedIn. I think it's a really powerful medium for us to use.